what it is. We back up in here and shit. We got a couple of guest stars today. One being my fucking taser, Very beautiful. Now, we're gonna be conducting an experiment. Get it, conducting. Anyway, so this thing probably creates obscene amounts of electricity, and electricity a lot of times can conduct heat. And heat, that is a savory, interesting word, because do you know what else requires heat? A motherfucking candle. Dragon pussy, to be exact. So, we're gonna see if I can light this candle with my taser. Well, I should have thought the seating and shit out, but it is what it is. Country girls make do. Probably good enough. Alright. Anyway, I guess let's try it out. Ooh! That would have been fun. Okay, this is so fucking gay. Why did I do this? Alright, whatever. That's probably good enough. Alright. Are you ready? I'm gonna go with no. Wow, that is actually fucking lame. Here I was thinking we was gonna get some hot fucking action. But no dragon pussy for you, gay boy. Okay, go on.